At the moment, I don't read so many manga or I don't watch so many anime because I like this when I was a little bit younger. But the most recently I watched on Netflix. I watched the Beastars, and I think that it's so cute because there are so many animals and furries. They're so cute.
I haven't seen it yet. Would you recommend?
Yeah, yeah. It's pretty weird at sometimes, but it's cute.
Okay, I'll watch. I'll watch. I watch some anime on Netflix and I see Beastars, and every time I want to watch it, but I think animals, the guy is a wolf and there's a bunny, but they're like humans. What's the story about? And it's in 3D. It looks very different from the anime that I liked growing up.
Yeah, yeah. It's pretty different from Naruto or Dragon Ball, sure, for sure. But I really like. But there is another category of anime, just like my idea. I like the Studio Ghibli, but the Studio Ghibli is another world for me because the animation are so complex, are so well done, and the stories are always weird, but also very important theme. And this is the genre of anime that I like most is Studio Ghibli.
Ghibli movies are very good. The animation and the stories, they just are better than anything else. And they're just as good as Disney if you ask me. They're different style, but it's a unique style and I can watch Ghibli movies over and over and over again and I never get bored. They're very good and everyone loves them. Even if they don't like anime, they love Ghibli films.
Same, same. I show Ghibli films also at I show these films at my parents, and they love it.
That's how you introduce parents to anime. Put on Spirited Away or Princess Mononoke.
Yes.